In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your trade history on the Binance app, whether you're looking at buy or sell orders, and how to navigate your old trade history efficiently. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or simply need a refresher, this guide will help you become more comfortable managing your trade records. Let's get started by opening up your Binance app. Once you're there, you'll want to direct your attention to the Assets tab. This will act as the gateway to accessing your trade information. After tapping on assets, you'll need to make a choice between spot or futures. Spot refers to trades where cryptocurrencies are bought or sold for immediate delivery, while futures involves contracts to buy or sell an asset at a predetermined future date and price. Choose the one relevant to your current interest or trades. Next, locate the order icon on the interface. This is typically represented by a small list or document symbol. Tapping this icon will bring up a variety of options related to your trading activities. You'll want to select trade history from this list. This section is where all your previous transactions are stored, providing a detailed ledger of your past trading activities. Once you are in the trade history section, you can filter your past orders by tapping on buy/sell. This feature allows you to narrow down your history to specifically view either purchase or sale transactions. It's particularly useful if you're trying to pinpoint a specific transaction or series of transactions from your past trading activities. But what if you're trying to dig even deeper into your trades? Maybe you're interested in transactions that occurred some time ago. Not to worry, Binance has you covered with their search and date filter options. The search function lets you look up specific trades by whatever criteria you have in mind. Meanwhile, the date filter allows you to view transactions from a specific time frame. Simply set the date range you're interested in and the app will display the relevant data. This is particularly handy if you're doing a detailed analysis of your trading patterns over time, or if you need the information for tax purposes. These steps will comprehensively allow you to access your trade history on Binance with ease and precision. As you interact more with these features, you'll find that managing and analyzing your trades becomes a seamless part of your cryptocurrency investing experience. So take the time to familiarize yourself with these tools, as they will prove invaluable in your trading journey. Whether you're a day trader or a long-term investor, being in tune with your past trades is essential for making informed decisions in the future.